Hello tout le monde.
Hi everybody.
Alors dans cet épisode, on vous explique que Jess nous a quittés à Almeria pour rejoindre son papa à Tanger, qui est l'équipier qui faisait la suite de la navigation. Et donc avec Hervé, on a continué tout seul de Almeria jusqu'à Gibraltar. On a convenu avec Jess et qui le rejoindrait là-bas.
So I left the guys in Almeria and I went to Morocco to pick up my dad. And then with my dad we went back to Gibraltar and we started our trip to the Canary Islands together. So we'll show you some images of our time in Morocco. And then we'll show you what happens next. Bye!
Bye!
Enjoy! You're enjoying your time in Morocco, Gemma?
Gemma's not coming back.
Oh wait, yeah, look at this. What that is one.
That is one big rock. It's a Gibraltar.
The Rock of Gibraltar.
And I'm doing a little. They had a little water get in the boat, so we're looking at all little leaks. Okay, so I'm a born caulker.
That's right. Let's show us your caulking. Yeah, let's.
So I'm caulking everywhere. And if you don't watch it, I'm gonna caulk the camera.
Hello mon amour, qu'est-ce que tu fais?
J'ai préparé la grand voile, mais là je remets le pavillon espagnol. Parce qu'on était en Espagne et là on a fait un stop à Gibraltar, territoire britannique.
We are now leaving Gibraltar, the big rock where we were for several days, getting the alternator fixed and many other things. My dad is here. Hey Dad.
Hey there. Hi there.
And we are finally leaving. What a beautiful night to be leaving the Strait of Gibraltar with the three very special men in my life. My husband, my dad, and our baby boy. What are we doing, Gemma? Fish. Okay, there he goes. Now there's a green little, oh, it seems to be all tangled. Now I don't know if you guys can see this, the little green thing is just floating on top of the wave. It's water. I think he is more. Oh, the vegetarian in me loves this. So funny. You gonna catch a fish now?
Keep laughing. Yeah.
Oh, it's so funny. This is my husband, the hottest man in action. Waves, salt going over, and he's a boat guy, the sexy man. Wow, Superman, superstar. So strong. Winch. Winch. Allez, Michael. Mission accomplie. Bravo. So now we have part 2 of Jim versus the fish. Come here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Come here, fishy, 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 fishy. It's morning. And sometimes in the middle of the night, we get a little visitor from the boat's glory hole. Hello. So it's morning on our boat, and it is. Yesterday was a very calm day. Today is not calm. So I just wanted to give you a little clue of what happens on a boat. You see the kitchen there? Everything's just turned. Everything that's not tied down just falls. So, for Christmas Day was really, really rough. So much rougher than this. But it has remnants of that. And after Christmas Day, we got this filet. You just put all your stuff in it and it doesn't fall. Just wanted to give you a little moment of what it's like on a boat when it's not so easy.
Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark.
Daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark.
Mama shark do 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 do, mama shark do 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 do, mama shark do 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 do, mama shark. Grandpa shark do 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 do, grandpa shark do 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 do, grandpa shark do 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 do, grandpa shark. Shark attack! Shark attack! Shark attack! Shark attack!
Morning.
Morning.
Bonjour.
Morning.
On arrive à la terre.
Mais 6h30 de navigation.
We are finally at land after 6.5 days of sailing. It is called Graciosa, and it is just very
Left side is Transat.
See it way. So where are we, guys? Nous sommes où?
Canary Islands?
Yes.
The
Graciosa.
yes.
Next to Lanzarote.
That's right. In front of super cute iglesia.
Super